Sadhalavina, the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Sitiveni Lingamamandrambuka, Cabinet Ministers, distinguished members of the Diplomatic Corps, esteemed representatives from Fiji's business sector, respected members of the Fiji sporting communities, sponsors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Zolavina, and a very good afternoon to you all. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all to officially witness the grand reopening of the HFC Bank Stadium tracks. I am delighted to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Prime Minister, who has graciously accepted our invitation to grace us as the chief guest for this momentous occasion. I also welcome the esteemed Cabinet Ministers, distinguished members of the Diplomatic Corps, respected Fiji business sector, Fiji sporting communities, and all those who have joined us for this special occasion. Your presence here today underscores the importance of sports in our society and a significant role it plays in fostering unity, health, and national pride. The reopening of the stadium tracks marked a significant milestone in our commitment to promoting youth and sports development while fostering a culture of sports excellence in our communities. It is a testament to the hard work and dedication of all those involved in this project, and I'm immensely proud of what we have achieved together. I wish to acknowledge the tremendous support of the government through its funding to ensure that this project is successfully implemented. Honorable Prime Minister, sir, thank you for giving our athletes a new synthetic track just in time for the 2004 Coca-Cola Games. The value of sport and recreation to the nation simply cannot be overemphasized. In raising our health and fitness levels, in providing means of keeping young people away from crime and drugs, in helping to give us a sense of ourselves, in enhancing our lifestyles. I have no doubt that individuals and team athletes will experience the increased benefits of having these newly refurbished tracks at their disposal. We are excited to showcase the improvements made to the stadium tracks. We are grateful for the support and dedication of everyone involved in making this project a success, especially the contractors that are here with us this afternoon. As we gather here to celebrate this momentous occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to supporting our athletes, empowering our youth, and promoting the values of sportsmanship, fair play, and inclusivity. Together, let us continue to strive for excellence and harness the power of sports to build a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant community for generations to come. I am quite confident that this stadium will continue to be a place where our youth can thrive, showcase their talents, and inspire others to pursue their passion in sports. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to the Honorable Prime Minister and to all of you And I thank you most sincerely for your presence and unwavering support. Let us now join together in celebrating the official opening of the refurbished HFC Bank Stadium Athletics rubber tracks. Pinanduri Valeu.